Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making beef stew. You will need 2.5 pounds of chuck steak, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 cloves of garlic, 4 Yukon Gold potatoes, 1 cup of baby carrots, 1 cup of onion, 3 stalks of celery, 1 cup of petite white onions, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of red wine, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Use the brown setting on your slow cooker and bring to medium-high heat, then add your olive oil. Now brown your beef. If your slow cooker does not have a brown setting, then this step may be done in a frying pan. Season your beef with 1 teaspoon of salt. After your beef has browned, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. Now add your butter. Now add the onion, celery, carrots, and garlic, then saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, sprinkle in the flour, then mix until your flour has turned a golden brown color. Now add the tomato paste and mix well. Pour in your wine and mix to deglaze. Now add your beef broth. Return your beef back to the pan, then season with your remaining salt, pepper, paprika, and thyme. Now add the Worcestershire sauce and your bay leaves, then change your slow cooker setting to slow cook, cover, and allow it to cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, add your peas, petite onion, and potatoes, mix, then cover and allow to cook for an additional 2 hours. After 2 hours, sprinkle with your parsley, then mix until well combined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.